Hey everyone! Today we're heading to Souk Almina, part of the amazing Manar Abu Dhabi. And yes, nagbus lang tayo today. Super tipid, super convenient. Perfect para sa mga commuters or travelers sa UAE. Pagbaba namin ng bus, we started walking papunta sa Souk Almina. Madali lang siyang puntahan, straight path lang and very pedestrian friendly. And ayan na, we saw the big Souk Almina tarpaulin sign. Guys, kapag nakita nyo to, meaning nasa area na kayo. As we keep walking, we pass by different shops, carpets, antique, plants, local items, and all sorts of traditional market finds. Then we walk straight pa, and guys, look at that, my cruise ship. So if mahilig kayo sa sea views or ships, ang ganda dito for photos and chill walking. Of course, isa sa pinaka-highlights kaya tayo pumunta dito ngayon is the Manar Abu Dhabi art installation, yung giant character holding the moon. Manar Abu Dhabi usually features different light and art installation across the city. So, minsan, nag-iiba sila bawat season. Worth visiting ulit. By the way guys, Manar means lighthouse or beacon in Arabic. So, the name Manar Abu Dhabi symbolizes Abu Dhabi as a guiding light for art, culture, and creativity. Pretty cool, right? According to the staff, the main Manar ay nasa Jubail Island, which is located between Yas Island and Saadiyat Island. The bus is not going there, so kung gusto nyong makita ang full Manar experience, you need to go by taxi or car. Travel tip: Jubail Island is the main location for Manar Abu Dhabi, featuring the largest and most installations, so it's definitely worth the visit. Thanks for joining me today. It's your girl Rainshine, and let's keep making memories that shine. See you on my next vlog.